Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by creating your Amazon Associates account. Do this now so you can generate links. Sign in with your Amazon credentials, then enter payment, tax, and website or app details that's required to receive commissions. Once done, create a clear tracking ID per property. This lets you see which audience drives sales. Make sure to verify your profile and accept program terms, because Amazon won't generate affiliate links until your account is validated and set up correctly. Next, find the product page you want to promote. SiteStripe appears at the top when logged into Associates. Use SiteStripe to choose text, image, or text plus image link formats, and confirm the tracking ID displayed is the one for that platform. Otherwise, commissions won't be tracked properly. Once you copy the link, you can shorten it or add UTM parameters for analytics. Make sure to preview the link so it opens the intended product page, because correct redirection preserves referral tracking. Finally, add the affiliate link to your content with a clear disclosure. State you may earn commissions. That's both policy and trust building. Publish the link, then test it in an incognito browser and on mobile to confirm it directs to the correct product and retains your tracking ID. Once live, monitor the Associates dashboard for clicks and purchases. If links show no attribution, regenerate the link with the correct tracking ID and retest. Often the fix is ensuring the right tracking ID was selected.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.